In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Outlook. Now, it's really easy to do, but pay close attention to get every step correct. Let's get right into this. So the first step that we need to follow is we need to go onto this site called zapier.com, and we're going to go ahead and create a thing called a Zap on here. Now, this basically will allow you to automate different things, and it's perfect for automating our Slack and Outlook. So what we want to do is go to the top here and click on Create Zap. And from there, we're going to go over to the trigger. And this really depends on a few different things. So if you want to be notified on Slack when you get an Outlook message, then you might want to put Outlook first. So let's try that. So first of all, we'll do is we'll go into here and we'll type in Outlook. Click on Microsoft Outlook here as the trigger. And we can select the event here. So there's tons of different events here, but let's say we've just got new email as the event. So we'd click on that. So basically, if we get a new email on Outlook, then we're going to trigger this. So what we do is click continue here. And now it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. So just click sign in and it's going to ask you to connect it up, and it's very easy to do. Once we've gone ahead and connected our Outlook account to Zapier at the top, we're going to go down to the action section here and we're going to type in Slack, and we can click Slack there. And now it's going to ask for the event. So what is going to happen when a new email is received? So we could send a message, or we could send a channel message. So we could inform the channel that we've received an email. And you could do a lot of different you set this up in different ways. So if you've got like a specific client that you're going back and forth with, for example, you can send it so that their emails go directly into Slack, so it's a little bit easier to deal with for maybe your teams and stuff like that. But you can just select we can select send channel message, click continue. It's going to ask us to sign with our account there. And basically you can configure it with this to go ahead and send the message into here. Now what we can add here is a step. We can add filters, so we can filter it. So we can say only continue if the email is such and such. So, it will only send if it's coming from a certain email. Alternatively, what you can do is you can actually switch it around. So you could change this trigger up here to Slack. So we can put Slack in the top here. And then we could have an event in here. So when a new message is posted to a channel, you could then select Outlook at the bottom here, and you could send someone an email with that message. Maybe you want to keep copies of everything or something like that. But that's basically how you go about doing it. After you're ready, you can click publish up here, and then it should start the automation. So every time the trigger is met, the action at the bottom will happen. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, comment down below that it was helpful, and please also like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.